Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yunita Dwi Rahmayana Suseno. You can call me Aya. Student ID number 223-15023. Information Technology System major, Faculty of Engineering, University Muhammadiyah Kendari. Alright, in this video I will explain about information technology. Okay, jump in information technology. What is information technology? Information technology, IT, is a general term for any technology that help humans create, change, store, communicate, and or disseminate information. History of information technology development. The history of the development of information technology (IT) began in the 1940s to the 1960s, with the first generation of computers passing vacuum tubes, followed by the second generation with transistors and the third generation with integer IC in the 1970s and 1980s. Microprocessor drove the development of personal computer PCs and computer networks. Such of LANs began to be used in office in the 1990s. The World Wide Web was created, changing the way information was accessed and shared, and giving rise to web browser and e-commerce. The era of 2000s to the present is marked by the rise of smartphones, mobile devices, and cloud computing, which enable data storage and access from anywhere. Will social media change the way we communicate? Future trends include artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, cloud, blockchain, and quantum computing, which are the main focus of further technological developments. Development of information technology in Indonesia. The development of information technology (IT) Indonesia has experienced rapid progress in the last few decades. At first, computer use was limited to government agencies and large companies, but since the 1990s, with the advance of the Internet, IT has begun to spread to the business and education sectors. Smartphones and high-speed Internet have changed the way people communicate and access information. The Indonesian government is also encouraging digitalization with various various initiatives such as e-government and smart cities. In addition, the emergence of innovative local technology startups has strengthened the IT ecosystem in Indonesia, making the country one of the most dynamic digital technology marketing in mostly Asia. Technology, sorry, making the country one of the most dynamic digital technology marketing in Southeast Asia. Information technology in everyday life, communication, uh, email, social media, message apps, entertainment, video streaming, online games, learning, e-learning, MOOC, health, teleme- telemedicine, electronic medical record. Positive impact of information technology development. First, field of education. Information technology has changed the conventional learning process. There are less five stages, namely from training to performance, from classroom to mobility, anywhere from paper to online media, from physical facilities to network facilities, and from safely times to real times. Therefore, this is very possible that currently the learning process is not carried out face to face in class. Teacher and student of lecturers and students can be connected in the learning process using IT equipment. In, in terms of time and cost, information technology can make it more efficient, and currently the online learning e-learning process continues to develop. E-learning can be developed simultaneously for searching, giving assessment, and a place to collect assessments online. To health, the in the health sector, an application of IT in medical record management is using smart cards. Just by entering data on the chart, medical personnel or interested parties can obtain a history of the patient's illness and its treatment. IT is also as in imaging medical definitions such as CT scans or MRIs. 3. Transportation sector. The use of is the use of IT on the transportation sector, for example, in aircraft technology. On airplanes, there is an automatic pilot feature which is controlled by a computer program. For the delivery service sector, delivery services are currently increasingly advanced. If previously you did know when you send a packaging package, it would arrive. Now the position you send can be tracked in real time. This requires IT in its implementation. And finally, business fails. In business, the use of IT applied to electronic communicate e-commerce. This feature required an internet communication network. Uh, e-commerce makes it as easier for two or many parties to carry out transactions without having to meet basic, basically. Okay. Next, negative impact of information technology development. First, copyright infringement. There are IT advances that are misused by irresponsible people, mostly related to copyright violation. This violation includes software privacy duplication without the author's permission and as without the author's permission. Copyright infringement definitely harms producer and harms consumers when they get a product whose quality is not equivalent to the original product. 2. Cybercrime. This crime is committed online by an utilizing technology or computer network. Example of crime include credit card hijacking, online fraud, and so on. Cyber, cybercrime can cross over. 3. Pornography, gambling, and fraud. Uh, these three things and very common in the online world and are the negative side of IT. However, some com- countries legalize pornography and gambling subject to certain regulation. Meanwhile, for fraud, many individuals misuse IT to dis- def- defeat other people to get certain amount of money. And finally, malware spread. Malware is computer program this seeks out software weaknesses is to break into or damage the operating system or damage software. Examples of malware are virus, worms, keyloggers, trojans, spyware, and so on. Okay. Okay, next I will explain the journalism. Okay, jump in journalism. Writer Siti Najmiah Rifai, Amil Ahmad Ilham, Andani Asmat. Title Temporal Forecasting System for Potential Catching Arrays of Skipjack Fish in the Bond Sea using Artificial Neural Network. This research aims to predict the potential fishing area for skipjack tuna in the Bond Sea using the artificial neural network method. Using oceanographic data such as sea surface temperature HHD and chlorophyll A from 2017 to 2021. The system shows an accuracy of 94.89% and an F1 score of 92.809%. This result can increase fishing efficiency by determining the optimal fishing calendar. Introduction: Indonesia has great potential in capture fisheries, especially skipjack tuna. The exact fishing area is strongly influenced by oceanographic factors such as HHD and chlorophyll A. This knowledge helps determine optimal fishing areas, overcome dynamic fishing problems, and improve operational effectiveness. Several previous studies have examined the relationship between oceanographic factors and the distribution of skipjack tuna. The back the the backpropagation method in artificial neural networks has been used effectively in various prediction applications, including weather forecasting and determining fishing areas. Methods: The method as in this research is an artificial neural network with a back, sorry. The method as in research is an artificial neural network with a backpropagation algorithm. The oceanography data as includes HHD and chlorophyll A for the last 5 years. The system was evaluated using a confusion matrix to assess accuracy and performance. Result: These forecasting systems show excellent result with an accuracy of 94.89% and an F1 score of 92.09%. This shows that this method is effective for predicting the temporal area of skipjack tuna fishing in the Barents Sea. Conclusion: Implementation of this temporal forecasting system can help fishermen determine optimal fishing times and location, reduce costs and effort, and increases success. This system can be a valuable tool for more efficient management of fisheries research. Okay, well, that's all the explanation from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.